Hey there guys! Today I'm back to go through my Christmas presents with you. I always enjoy making these videos because I can look back at them and see, which gifts I received and who gave them to me, which sometimes is really fun if you're feeling down, you can see how many people care in your life and stuff like that. If you think that I'm here to brag, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to offend you, but you can click out of the video right away so you do not get distressed by anything I say. So for today, let's just get into these gifts. The first thing I got from my mom is this little lantern, and she put some money in there because I wished for money to travel. And this is really cute. I will put this next to my balcony, and then in the summertime we can burn that outside. I won't do this in any particular order, by the way, just the way I grab stuff. Then I got a package of metal straws, which is really cool because I don't like plastic straws. So these are great for the summertime when we're making some lemonade again, and that will be really fun. Then I got something I've never seen before, but it's really interesting. My partner gave me this, and this is a little thingy that you can put in your phone, and then you can attach two sets of earbuds, so you can listen to the same thing. This is really cool for traveling and stuff like that, so you can listen to the same stuff and not just share, a pair of earbuds. Really interesting. I did not know that these things existed, to be fair. And then he also got me a little calendar of Simon's cat, and this has a little picture of this cat for every day. And I had one of these before a couple of years back. Absolutely loved it. I think this cat is so hilarious. So this is great. I can't talk already, so this is gonna be a fun video. Then one of my friends got me this cake tin. It is pink and it's in the form of a heart, so this is really cool. She also gave me this pretty lipstick. This is a German brand called Rounded Up, and this is a bronzing lipstick. Okay, and I'm dropping stuff, and it looks really pretty. She also gave me this little mirror that has a flower design, and you can place it in your bag, which is always handy. I always have one of those with me. And yeah, that's basically that for this tin. And now we're getting into the stuff my best friend got me, and this is gonna be fun, I promise. I can't get it out. She got me two little bottles of homemade chai syrup, which is always great. I love that. Then she got me this little pad that you can use to remove your makeup. I will definitely try this later because I recorded my New Year's Eve look today, which will be up later this week. Then she got me a scented candle that is Harry Potter inspired, and she got me the Burrow. And this smells so good. I don't know what the notes are because I don't think it says on here, but it smells really good. I really love it. I can't open it right now, but I'm so gonna burn that. She also got me some nice food. This is just an Hokkaido cream that you can put on bread, and then some sweets right here, because these are without meat, basically without dead animals in it, which is great. Yeah, then she got me one of these Hey Mountain bath bombs, which is lovely. She gave me Good Old Days, and this smells very spicy, rich, elegant, and expensive, and I love it. Then she got me some more samples, and then something that is made out of coconut, and it's supposed to lighten your teeth, I think. So I'll have to try that. I've never heard of something like that before. Then some more chocolate. This is a vegan chocolate lolly and a little nut bar. Then she gave me two cookie cutters, and one is basically Harry, so the glasses and the lightning, and the other one is the Deathly Hallows symbol. And the final thing that is in here is a little Snape. It's a Funko Pop of Snape. I love him. He will probably get a very special place on my nightstand. This next stuff is family stuff. First off, my mom got me the usual Yves Rocher dose. This is golden tea. This sounds amazing. Shower gel. What are you? Nuit Vanille. I can't say French words. This is a shower oil. Then we have the golden tea hand cream and the golden tea body lotion in here. And that looks really good, but I haven't smelled it yet. Now we get some sweets that she just gave me randomly, basically. And this chocolate my grandma gave me, which is really nice, but it's super, super sweet. So this will last forever. Then some white chocolate covered raspberries, which is amazing. I love these. They are so good. Then one thing I wished for, and I'm so happy I finally have it in my hands, and I banged it up a little bit unfortunately, is the 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo as a hardcover. Because I listened to this on audio this year and I really wanted to have a copy so I can reread it, and yeah, I'm so gonna enjoy this. I love this book. And then one thing I wished for is this cup, which says basically 0 fucks given, but with a fox. I think it's hilarious, I'm sorry. So I really wanted this, and my grandma gave it to me. Of course I had to explain my whole family why this is funny. Then my grandma also gave me a whole tin of Christmas cookies and some Christmas cake as well to take home. And then this is from my other grandma. She got me this little set right here, which is amazing. It comes with some chocolate, some sugar, and I think 2 different kinds of Christmas tea and a little cup. And I'm a huge tea person, so this is great. I love tea. And then she gave me these little tea lights as well, which have really nice colors. I don't think they smell of anything, but I'm not sure. And then my favorite Christmas sweets. These are white chocolate filled with almond cream. So good. Now my mom also gave me a cup because she found this one as well. And this one says, "Oh, for fuck's sake." I'm so sorry, this is so cheesy, but I love it. And now I have a set of 2, so this will be great for Sunday breakfast or something like that. I told my mom if I was an English teacher, I would always bring one of these cups to the first lesson of the day, you know, just put it right in front of the pupils. That would be so funny. Okay, so my other friend who recently moved back to Germany from Dublin, she gave me a kitty cup. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. I love it. And she filled it with really nice chocolate and stuff like that. So amazing. I was so happy to receive this, and this will go on my desk at work. So I can drink my tea from that. And then she also gave me this little octopus because I do like octopuses. Yeah, but she gave me this, and so I have to find a place for him. Not quite sure where yet. He's a bit tacky, but I just like them. I don't know. I mean, Santa's in a good mood, right? Then my aunt gave me this little thing, which just holds a tea light, and it is, you know, some decoration for Christmas. That's very traditional for where I come from. And then she gave me my favorite sweets. I don't know if you know these. These are called cat tongues here. And they're basically just chocolate, but they're, I don't know, they have a special shape which makes them taste better than normal chocolate. And then also these little random chocolate balls, which probably taste really good as well. Okay, the last bag, I got some beautiful socks from my mom. I think these are stunning. I have no other pair that has a similar color, and I love them. They're so pretty. Then she gave me this little set of mulled wine spices. So instead of, you know, putting in all these spices by themselves, you can just hang in one of those bags. It's like tea bags but for mulled wine, which is great because I love making my own. Then I have these lovely sweets. These are nougat. I love them. They're very delicious, and my stepfather kindly gave them to me because they were his gift, but I just like them so much. And then I have a chocolate. This is with caramel, and I do love Rittersport. It's my favorite brand of chocolate. And then just this little thingy here, which is really good chocolate, and this is supposed to taste like Sunday choco, whatever that means. And then I have another pack. This is also little cookies that my step-grandma gave me. So, oh, those look so good. I'll probably take these with me to the office. They'll be gone in a day or so. And then my mom gave me a little funny gift, which is toothpaste. But you know, I have to use very special toothpaste for my teeth, and it can get really expensive. So this is actually very helpful. So yeah, that was that. And lastly, my grandma gave me this, which is really handy. This is to carry bottles with. And she filled it up with lemonade that I like. This is very special lemonade that is only sold where I come from. You can't really get it anywhere else. So she gave me 6 bottles of it, which is amazing. And then that will be all. This is all the material things I got for Christmas. But the main thing I wished for this year was money, because I want to make a huge trip in February. I want to travel very far and very long, so I need a little bit of money to help me with that. And my family kindly really supported that and gave me mainly money and only smaller gifts, which is great because, you know, I think experiences can be worth so much more than just things, and especially sweets. I'm really glad that I got only a very small amount of sweets this year, and yeah, I'm really happy I had such a great Christmas time. I cut the time quite short because I always know that it's, you know, difficult for me spending so much time with family members and, you know, traveling in between places and stuff like that. I now live quite far away from my family, so it's always hard for me to leave the cat behind, have someone care for her while I'm not here and stuff like that. So I decided to only have basically 2 days of Christmas this year, which was really good because I'm already back home and I can film this video for you. I had such a chill day just reading my book, which you can see up here. I'm sorry, this is always so messy in the background, but that's just how I am. I like books everywhere. So yeah, I hope you had a lovely Christmas time as well. Let me know what your favorite gift this year was, if you enjoyed your family time, if you had great meals, anything you would like to tell me. I'd love to hear. Have a great day and I will talk to you soon. Bye!